Hey Aphrodisiacs, it's me Khadisiac. So if you're new to my channel, then please hit that subscribe button, join the family, and if you're already subscribed, then welcome back. Alright you guys, so I know that it's like super weird for you guys to see in the title that I'm blow drying my hair because it's not like me to just randomly blow dry my hair. You guys know that I rarely use heat on my hair. But I'm just at this point where I want to do something different with my hair. Like, I'm tired of doing my twist outs. I don't really want to do a wash and go. I don't want to do a braid out. I was just like, let me blow dry my hair. Okay, I haven't done this in 2 years. I just wanted to do something a little bit different. Plus, I wanted to give you all an update on the RevAir reverse ear dryer because I've used it a few times, even though I haven't used it on my natural hair more than once because that was the first time that I used it. I have used it on clip-ins, I've used it on my wigs, when I've done my wig videos, so I do have a bit more experience using it and I just love it all around. I'm so glad that I did my initial video on the RevAir because I forgot the settings that I used. I have the video right in front of me, my video. If you guys didn't check this out, make sure you do because that was the first time that I used it. You got like my first impression and everything. Yeah, let's just jump into like where I am right now. So last night I did my overnight pre-poo with coconut oil. I'll link all the products down below. You guys know my pre-pooing process is pretty extensive, but I did that overnight and then this morning I went ahead and clarified. So I used the Afro shampoo for damaged hair. You guys know this is my favorite sulfate shampoo and it's peach balance, which I have been getting more into lately. So yeah, you guys should be seeing more peach balance videos because I'm really trying to work on the health of my hair. I say this as I blow dry my hair. And then I did a protein treatment and this was my first time using this protein treatment. It's the Curls Bamboo protein treatment. So yeah, I picked this up a few months ago because I was really interested in it. I'm not gonna say this was like the worst protein treatment or even a bad protein treatment. I just didn't really like the consistency. And as for my deep conditioner, I used the RevAir replenishing conditioner. I really like to use this before I use any type of heat on my hair, like any heat styling. I think I used this the last time I blow dried my hair, I'm not sure. It's not all natural and that's why I like it for blow drying and stuff because it has ingredients that will sit on top of the cuticle and act as a protective layer. So it has that methicone, I think it has lanolin, it has like stuff that would be considered bad, but all of that stuff when you're heat styling, it really does act as this coating, this layer of protection against your hair and the heat. Then I put this turban on and this is actually from RevAir. So RevAir back in 2019 they sent me their total, what is it called, I think the total package, which comes with literally everything that RevAir offers on the website. Of course, it comes with the RevAir. So this is what it looks like if you've never seen it before. It's beautiful. It looks crazy, but it is so amazing. It also comes with this stand that you put the, what is it called? The wand part in. This is like the wand part, and you just put it into this holder when you are blow drying because you don't want to like lay this down or anything. It comes with this basket as well. It's huge, guys. Like, oh my gosh, it's huge. All right, you guys, so now I'm getting ready to use the RevAir, but first I'm going to take off this cotton towel from my head, and now my hair is damp, so it's looking really good. I think that doing the overnight pre-poo and then all of those steps, it just really helped to prep my hair for blow drying. So now I'm gonna go in with my heat protectant. I'm using the Tresemme Heat Tamer leave-in spray. And if you guys have any good heat protectant recommendations, then please let me know because I just feel like I could be using something a bit more moisturizing, but this will have to do for now. So now I'm getting ready to use my RevAir. You guys, so I have finished blow drying my hair, and that literally, it took me less than 30 minutes. I did 2 minutes per section. Some sections needed 1 more minute. It was mainly on this side, and I think that's because I wet it too much, and RevAir does recommend that like you don't have like super soaking wet hair when you use it, I guess because it'll take longer and stuff. So they do recommend that your hair is damp, but I felt like my hair was a little bit too damp, so that's why I wet it, and then it got a little bit too wet. But anyways, these are my results, you guys. Ends definitely need to be trimmed. Like, these are horrific. I don't know when's the last time I trimmed. Actually, my hair feels a little bit dry-ish, and I don't know, I think the next time that I blow dry my hair, I'm gonna try a different heat protectant, maybe a cream, because I think using this Tresemme leave-in heat tamer spray, it just didn't like moisturize my hair enough and like get it as smooth as it could have been, like say with a different product. I really like how my hair turned out. Glad that I did this. Sometimes you just have to switch it up, like, you know, you just get bored of the wash and goes or the twist outs and stuff. And if you are someone who has been like contemplating on getting the RevAir but you don't know if it's worth it, like, it's worth it. It really is worth it. For me, just knowing that I have this device to use when I do feel like blow drying my hair, that acts as motivation, because I know that I don't have to use a blow dryer in one hand and a brush in the other one and then worry about the brush possibly damaging my hair, because you guys know my hair just does not really do well with tools. That's why I do prefer finger detangling, so I don't have to worry about any of that. Like, I'm just using this device, which already deposits less heat than your regular blow dryer, and you have this handy dandy wand which pretty much does all the work for you inside of here. Definitely check it out. Also, there will be a coupon code down below if you're interested. So that's it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, then please give it a big thumbs up, comment down below, feel free to share this video, and of course subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one. Bye guys.